16th day. I started from Bottrop in Essen. After the train I had like 20 kilometers to go there. And I stayed the night in a really nice field. And afterwards, when I woke up, actually it was quite rainy. I mean, not quite rainy, but it was constantly raining, so I couldn't really find a gap to get the tent and everything. And in the end I just got out. Morning. I have about 100 kilometers today to go, and it's raining. I'm just waiting for it to slow down a bit, and I'm gonna show you guys something nice. I'm sleeping next to the horses. They were making weird horse noises the whole night. The house owners gave me some coffee, and they were really nice actually. I will give them a good review for sure. And then I had to leave, and I had about 100 kilometers. As I said, it was constantly raining. And I had in total 102-ish kilometers. Okay, the rain is slowing down finally. It's just slowed down. I have the rain set up. I normally have another jacket, but yeah, I just wanted to go with this one because the weather is quite warm still. So yeah, 100k. It starts now. Let's see. So I haven't eaten anything since the morning except for 1 cup of coffee, and not even water. And now I stopped by the McDonald's close by. And one thing I learned is when it's raining, even if it stops, put the cover in. Just look at this shit, bro. Yeah, it's a bit messy, just a little bit. In the journey I also passed 2 bike ferries, and which I never did before, so that was quite fun. Now I'm taking the bike ferry across the Rhine River. It's quite fun. After that I was coming really close to Holland. It was quite calming actually to bike here. So it has been about 60 kilometers and I have almost 40 kilometers left, and we are in the rather Dutch part of Germany, like almost in Holland, and you can already recognize the roads or the landscape is really nothing like Switzerland or South Germany. It's really flat, really available to bike in, and the thing is the rain was really constant. It wasn't heavy rain, it was just like continuous drizzling, so I couldn't really film on the way, but yeah, back at it again. The rain clouds are on their way again, surrounded by them, so we'll see how it goes. Yes sir. Only 30 kilometers left to bike. Should be fine. Look at them cows though. Finally, after passing 2 ferries and these many kilometers coming to Holland, there's a rainbow. I was expecting to see it before actually, but yeah, there's still, I have traveled 93 and there's still 7 kilometers left. So then we'll reach to the camping site. It's pretty nice actually here, really calm. It's a big rainbow too. I don't think I've seen a rainbow this good and beautiful for a long time now actually. It's pretty nice. I just passed them, but yeah, it was constantly drizzling, so I couldn't really film anything. But there was like these fields of apple, pear, a lot of corn as well. And I passed the second ferry as well. I didn't know that I was gonna use another ferry. And I'm feeling that I'm kind of glad with taking the train to Essen, because yeah, I wanted to really experience this, you know. I feel like this was the missing piece to the trip. And tomorrow I'll be in Amsterdam, staying there 2 nights, and then afterwards to Leiden Probably 2-3 nights again, and then to Zeeland. One last drive. There's so many cows here, man. Like, there's constantly huge cows. It's really relaxing. Like compared to the rides in Austria, in Switzerland especially, I don't know, Holland is like the calmest of all. The towns are quite like, it's like miniature, you know, really peaceful. The cars turn into these tiny cars. And funny enough, they're actually one of the wealthiest countries. You know, I would, if I didn't see it, I would probably think the other way. And then I came to the camping sites, and now I'm waiting for the next day, which is gonna be from here to Amsterdam biking. And now, we're just resting. Well-deserved one.